We've all seen the devastating footage of wildfires ripping through communities. The images are haunting, with flames consuming everything in their path, leaving behind a trail of destruction and heartbreak. These fires don't discriminate. They destroy homes, wildlife habitats, and entire neighborhoods, forcing families to evacuate and sometimes leaving them with nothing but the clothes on their backs. It's a stark reminder of the raw power of nature and the importance of being prepared. Wildfires can spread rapidly, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds, making it crucial for us to take proactive steps to safeguard our homes and loved ones. Preparation isn't just about having a plan, it's about implementing measures that can prevent a fire from taking hold in the first place. We may not always control the environment, but we can protect our homes. By using fire-resistant materials, sealing windows and doors, and maintaining a defensible space around our properties, we can significantly reduce the risk of fire damage. These steps might seem small, but they can make a huge difference when a wildfire is approaching. We're venturing into the heart of fire safety, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to face the unexpected. Firefighters and safety experts emphasize the importance of community involvement and education. Attending workshops and training sessions can provide invaluable insights into fire prevention and emergency response. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover essential tools and practices that could be the difference between a near miss and a catastrophe. From understanding how to use a fire extinguisher correctly to installing and maintaining smoke alarms, these practices are vital. We will also look at the importance of fire blankets and how they can be used to smother small fires before they spread. We'll delve into creating a fire safety plan and building a fortress of safety around your home. This includes developing a clear escape route for your family, ensuring everyone knows what to do in case of a fire, and regularly inspecting your home for potential fire hazards. Let's get started on this journey to make our homes safer and more resilient against the threat of wildfires. Out in the wild, your sensors are your lifeline. In your home, smoke detectors are your early warning system. These devices alert you to danger before it's too late. Make sure you've got these lifesavers installed on every level and inside every bedroom. Test them monthly. A little beep means you're good to go. A working smoke alarm doubles your chances of surviving a fire. You wouldn't head into the wilderness without a trusty survival knife, a tool that could mean the difference between life and death in a critical situation. Similarly, you shouldn't face the threat of a fire without a reliable fire extinguisher at your side. It's an essential tool for home safety. This is your weapon of choice in those critical first few minutes when a fire breaks out. Acting quickly can prevent a small fire from becoming a devastating blaze. Not all fire extinguishers are created equal. There are different types designed for various kinds of fires, such as those caused by electrical faults, flammable liquids, or ordinary combustibles. Remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin, aim at the base, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. This technique ensures that the fire is completely covered and extinguished. Master these steps, and you're one step closer to conquering any fire. Regularly, check your fire extinguisher to ensure it's in working order and familiarize yourself with its operation. In an emergency, being prepared can make all the difference. Imagine you're caught in a sudden downpour in the wild. A fire blanket is like that emergency shelter for your kitchen, especially for grease fires. Keep one handy, and if a pan catches fire, carefully drape the fire blanket over the flames. Never use water on a grease fire, it'll only make it worse. Out in the wild, you can see, smell, and hear danger approaching. The rustling of leaves, the growls of predators, and the sight of a lurking threat all serve as warnings to keep you safe. Carbon monoxide, however, is a silent and odorless killer. Unlike the dangers in the wild, it gives no warning signs. It can seep into your home without you ever knowing. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it, but it can be deadly. This invisible gas can cause serious health issues, or even death if not detected in time. That's why having carbon monoxide alarms installed is crucial. These devices are designed to detect the presence of carbon monoxide and alert you before it reaches dangerous levels. Place CO alarms near sleeping areas and on every level of your home. This ensures that you and your loved ones are protected at all times, even while you sleep. This is your early warning system against an invisible enemy. In the event of a carbon monoxide leak, the alarm will sound, giving you precious time to evacuate and call for help. Don't take chances with your safety. Install carbon monoxide alarms and ensure they are functioning properly. Your life and the lives of your family depend on it. Your escape route. Fire escape ladders. In a multi-story home, a fire escape ladder is your lifeline. Practice deploying the ladder from a window, ensuring everyone knows how to use it quickly and safely. It might seem daunting, but remember, practice makes perfect. Your escape route from danger. The Master Plan Fire Escape Plan. Every successful expedition starts with a plan. Gather your family and together map out escape routes from every room. Identify 2 ways out of each room and designate a safe meeting point outside. Practice your escape plan regularly. In a fire, every second counts. Stay sharp. Regular maintenance. Out in the wild, you regularly check your gear. Fire safety equipment needs regular attention too. Test your smoke alarms monthly, replace batteries annually, and inspect fire extinguishers. Make sure they're easily accessible and haven't expired. Stay vigilant, stay prepared. Stay safe, stay prepared. We've covered a lot of ground today, but remember, this is just the beginning of your fire safety journey. It's about continuous learning, adapting, and being prepared. Connect with your local fire department for tailored advice. Thanks for joining me today. Stay safe out there, and remember, knowledge is power when it comes to fire safety.